are nagkakulong ra sa balay with no way mag-outing. Kay nagka-quarantine to some virus kept on spreading. And here we are, ikagawas, grabe kalaay. Uy migo, have some breakfast night, tuyo ug bulad, init bang kanong bagong bukad. Laba, maskin way powder, way alot, kay walay barber money, utuon yag laki me. Now I'm jumping up and down, tungod nalipay in town, abot ng ayudang 8,000. Mag-post with picture, hubas ng wallet, swertres number daog ko hapit. Pantiner tag more, kay mahal na ang sigarilyo. Lami mag-beef steak pero wa man, tortang talong na lang isudan. And in a few more days, pilig rumahong man forever and ever. Amen.